Well, let's talk about S&P investments. My name is Eugene Alexiev. I have a decade of experience in IT and I'm a private investor by myself. If you know the guy whose name is Warren Buffett, who is one of the greatest investors of all time, his famous quote is that if you do not know where to invest and you know nothing about the finance and investing, you should probably invest in S&P 500 index from his point of view. Why is that? Because basically when you invest in a whole index, you invest and bet on the whole companies from the one country and the whole economy of one country. And in this case, you plenty protected from the different downsides from his point of view, and basically you can invest over the long term in that, because usually the list is, if you do not know this thing, what is the index is about, it is the list of the companies which is included there based on the capitalization and other characteristics. And basically the list of companies 20, 30, 40 years ago was slightly different than the list is now. Why is that? Because some companies were excluded from this list and some of them were entered this list and were included in it. And basically in this case you are plenty diversified based on the companies, based on the different industries, and some of these companies presented in the different geographies as well and have different revenues in different currencies. So from the Buffett's point of view, you are plenty diversified with it as well. What do you think of that, and do you agree with this advice? Let's discuss about that in the comments below. See you soon.